Good afternoon, YouTube. Just a real quick overview here before we get some work done on the truck tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we're going to be putting in brand new coating of Line-X on the inside of the bed for the truck. The truck's only got about 100 miles on it so far, but just wanted to give you a quick shot of the before, and then we'll go ahead and do a follow-up shot of the after. We're choosing to go with the Line-X Premium. Should add a little bit of gloss to it. It's got a UV protective coating in it. As we're an outdoor truck, so we want to make sure that the truck has somewhat UV protection on it. Our other Line-X that we put in was just the regular Line-X about 10 years ago, and it's lost its luster. It's a little bit dull, but still works good. Does what it's supposed to do. So this is just a quick overview. Look at the truck before. This is a 2018 F250 Platinum, and we're just going to do the standard black color for the Line-X. I'm deciding to go with the actual Line-X instead of the Ford spray-in bed liner. There was a couple of things that I didn't like about the Ford spray-in bed liner. One was that I didn't know the quality of it, how good a quality it was, how long it would last. And two was the box link system. They didn't spray behind it, so you can see the white behind the plate there. So I know the Line-X actually, they take off everything and they spray behind it, and they'll mask off the certain areas like the lights, the LED lighting. But I wanted to make sure they pull the box link off and actually spray the white behind it. So all right, so we'll go ahead and close this up, and then the next follow-up shots will be of the completed truck. Alright guys, just got home from Line-X, and this is what it looks like. This is the Premium Line-X. After you do the Premium, which has the coating on it, can't be touched or walked on for 24 hours, versus the standard Line-X, which I believe you can use right away. Looks great, not too much gloss to it. Hopefully it'll retain its shininess for quite a while. And they actually pulled off the box link plates and painted or did the Line-X behind them, versus the standard spray and bed liner that comes stock from Ford. I didn't like that actually because it was white still behind the plates. So yeah, so we'll see how long this lasts and how the durability is with this Line-X protective premium coating that we put on. Hope you like this quick overview of the new Line-X that we put in the truck. If you are looking to get something like this, I do recommend the Line-X coatings. This is my third truck that's actually had Line-X, and this would be the first truck that I've actually put the premium Line-X in. So we'll see how this one compares over time to the standard version of the Line-X. Right. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.